The desire to distill a single moment into one facet of its multidimensional nature is totally normal. We as humans often want things to be black and white, neatly packaged up and easily defined. And the truth is, one moment can hold worlds. One moment can hold two completely opposing feelings. And when we try to turn these moments into one facet of their nature, we miss out on the true depth of life. We miss out on the whole experience. And we don't allow ourselves to really be present and in all that is here and available to us.